How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $20 per hour listening to music. Yes, you heard that right. Listening to music, guys. It's 2019. It's the internet. We can leverage music and what we love to do, what we love to listen to, and make money, guys. I'm super excited to release this video to you guys. Before we get started, guys, let me tell you about my channel. It's Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of ways for you to make money, guys. So if you are interested in my channel, please subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the website we're using is called Playlist Push, okay? So basically how this works is you got to think about the business aspect, okay? Artists are trying to find people to see their music. You know, if you're a struggling artist or you're just brand new, you know, it's kind of expensive to, you know, find a record label or even get exposure. So, you know, there's this company called Playlist Push where they want curators, you know, which is what you're going to be doing, to play their music, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing. And basically the way you get paid, so if you go to For Curators up here, okay, it's going to take you to this page here, okay? And you're basically going to do a review on the music. And you can literally make up to $12 per song. So, I mean, if you did 2 of these, you know, that's $24 per hour, okay? So you can make a lot of money. And maybe you can do 3, so that's about $30 per hour. And imagine how much you can do in a day. So, guys, this is an awesome way to make money online, especially if you love listening to music, okay? Now, the cool thing is they pay out every single week, okay? You're not waiting a whole month. You're waiting just a week to get paid out, okay? And you get paid out every Friday, and the cool thing, guys, yes, you're getting paid with PayPal. I know you guys like when I do videos on PayPal. This is how you get PayPal money with listening to music, okay? So, yeah, so it's basically you're getting paid to review songs, okay? And the way you do it is you have to have a certain amount of followers on your YouTube. I'm sorry, your Spotify, your YouTube Music, Apple Music. Okay, so I believe it is. Let me see here. I looked it up. It is 400 followers. Okay, you need 400 followers to be able to be approved for this business. Okay, so very easy to do, guys. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you kind of like the slower way, the faster way, and then if you want to literally do it in a day, I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So the most important one is, and the one I would recommend is Spotify, okay? You have a lot of listeners on Spotify. You have a lot of exposure on Spotify. So I recommend, you know, building up a following on Spotify, okay? So the way you do that is you go to your Spotify and you can literally just start filling out a playlist. And what I recommend doing is looking for like the top 100 like hip hop or the top 100 EDM type music, okay? And you want to make a playlist, okay? And then you're going to start getting followers to that playlist. And the way you want to find that is if you go to like Google and type in like Billboard's top 100 hip hop, okay? You're literally going to find all these songs here, okay? And they're all here, guys. You can literally, here, let me get out of this ad real quick. Close ad. But yeah, so you're literally going to find the top 100 Billboard songs, okay? And you're literally going to fill it up with all the songs, okay? And you want to make it relevant to, you know, the time, okay? So, you know, right now it's 2019, so you're going to make the top 100 2019 hip-hop songs or whatever you're doing, okay? So that's important to do. You go to Spotify, you can start filling that out. It will probably take you like 30 minutes to fill that out, okay? Now, you got to get followers, okay? You got at least 400 followers, but I'm going to show you how to do it super easy, super fast, okay? So the first way to do it is using a subreddit called Spotify Playlist. So you can literally go in here, you can get a Reddit account, which is free, and you can put your playlist in here, okay? So people will, you can be like, hey, this is my top 100 hip hop playlist, and people will follow you guys, okay? You can put it in here, and that's one way to do it, okay? Is using Reddit. There's a lot of people going to Reddit, and it's a great way to get exposure, okay? Another way is if you go to YouTube and you type in best Spotify playlist. You can see here that people have a ton of playlists in here. Now, what you can do to get people to follow you or subscribe to you to your Spotify is you literally just put your link in the description and you can get a ton of people to follow you that way, okay? So that's another way you can use YouTube. Let's see, here's another one here. It's called soundplate.com, so you can literally upload your playlist. So if you add a Spotify playlist in here, you can have people follow you that way, okay? So that is an awesome way as well to get people. And remember, you need 400 people to get on your Spotify playlist to be able to apply for this company, which is playlist push. Okay, let's see here. That is another way. Here's one more way. Here is playlist.net. This is also a great way. It's going to be similar to the one I just showed you before, which is the sound plate, where you upload your Spotify playlist and you get people to search for it. Okay, so that is kind of the free ways to do it. Now there's a paid way to do it, and this way will literally get you like 400 people like today. Okay, so it's called Pico Workers, and what this is you're paying people to do mini jobs for you. Okay, it's pretty crazy. So you can have people like subscribe to your YouTube channel, you can have people do Facebook likes, you can have people Instagram follow you. You can see here it's about 2 cents to do like any of those tasks. Okay, now the cool thing is if you do this, I would you pick international. You would have do international because it's usually really cheap, and then you can go down here and you can tell them what you want them to do. Now I don't think there's anything specifically on Spotify, but you can have them, let's see here. You can do other, and you can kind of describe what you want them to do. It's typically around 2 cents, okay, guys? So if you did that, let me pull out my calculator here. If you want 400, okay, and you pay 2 cents to have them, that's $8, guys. That's $8 to get 400 followers on Spotify. Now, that's just to get the numbers up. That's to get your quick followers right away. It might be more than 2 cents. It depends on what you're trying to have them do. But if you just tell them, hey, job title is subscribe to my Spotify playlist, and then you tell them, hey, subscribe or follow my Spotify playlist, and then number 2, here is the link, and then you literally just tell them send a screenshot, and that's it, guys. You would put your link in here for your Spotify playlist. You can literally have people do this, and people are on here to do these mini jobs, okay? And it literally takes them half a second or 10 seconds to do, but you have a lot of people following you. And the point of that is just to get people to follow you so you can get on the playlist push and start making money. Okay, so that is if you don't want to pay like $8 to $10 to do that, you can do the free methods that I just showed you. But guys, you can do it quickly with Pico Workers, and now I don't recommend using Pico Workers for everything, like say YouTube subscribers, because those, I'm not saying they're not real subscribers, but you want people to find you as like organically. So just letting you know, you don't want to use Pico Workers all the time, but for something like this, it's perfect because you can build up your Spotify playlist really fast, so you can start making money with this program. Okay. Now, I still recommend doing these methods because you're going to get people that want to see your playlist, that are interested. So I do recommend using Reddit, using YouTube. These are awesome sound plate because people are actually searching for really cool playlists. So if you have a really good playlist, which you are going to have a good playlist because you're going to use the top 100 songs like I showed you, then that's a great way to do it. Okay. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. I hope that you take action. That's the one thing, guys, is you want to take action on these things. This is a great way to make money online, for free, unless you're buying, or you're having people follow you. It's only $8, but this is a great way to get started for free. Now, if you are looking to make a full-time income and you have a little bit of money to invest, there's the first link in the description below on how I make money, which is affiliate marketing. Okay, it's not a free course. It's about $7, and it shows you how I built my online business from beginning to end. If you are interested, it's the first link in the description below. But anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe, like, comment on this video if you have any questions. Helps me grow on YouTube. I'll talk to you guys soon.